Hello, everybody. This is the first of a few videos that I'm going to be doing to introduce a new grammar concept to us. And as you can see, it is direct object pronouns. This is something that you may have talked about in English classes or grammar classes that you've done. But to introduce the idea of direct object pronouns in Spanish, I'm going to act as if you haven't done anything with this grammar, even in English. And so we're going to start with a couple simple English grammar slides before we dive into any of the Spanish vocabulary. Now, even before we do that, let's take a step further back and think about what a pronoun is. You know the Spanish subject pronouns, yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, ustedes, ellos. Those words, which in English are I, you, he, she, we, they, those pronouns are replacing a noun of some sort, either a proper noun or a regular noun. And in English, we have it as a subject pronoun as well, which they don't in Spanish. But so with direct object pronouns, we can know just from the word pronoun that we're going to be replacing the direct object. Just like with a subject pronoun, you are replacing the subject with the subject pronoun. So let's again pretend that we have no idea what a direct object pronoun is, even in English, right? So, step one to get our heads around this grammar is to be able to answer that big question at the top of this slide. What is a direct object? Because we won't ever be able to know what a direct object pronoun is or how to use one if we don't actually know what a direct object is. So to figure that out, we're just going to be looking at this very simple sentence. Susan wears her sunglasses outside. Right? Susan wears her sunglasses outside. To find a direct object, which we have to be able to do to use a direct object pronoun, to find a direct object, the very first thing I have to do is find the subject of the sentence. Then I find the verb. So there's those two bullet points, the red and the purple. Susan wears her sunglasses outside. Subject obviously is Susan, right? Verb obviously is wears. Once I've done that, once I have figured out my subject and my verb, then I ask the question, what or who? I find the verb and I ask what or who. And whatever answers that question is my direct object. So in that Susan wears her sunglasses outside, I find my subject, Susan, my verb, wears. I say Susan wears what? Sunglasses, right? That's my direct object. That's the direct object. So in these sentences, let's see if we can find what the direct object in the sentence is. He never does the homework. He does what? Homework, right? That's the direct object in that sentence. I love my sister a lot. I is the subject. Love is the verb. I love what or who? Sister. There's the direct object. So again, we have to find these direct objects because eventually we're going to replace them with pronouns, but we have to know what the direct object is first. We don't have the money today. We have, and it's negative, of course, what? Money. There's my direct object. I visit who? Grandpa. Grandpa is my direct object in that sentence. They watch the lions at the zoo. They